Welcome to SS2 Accounting Term 3. Today we introduce government accounting, the recording and reporting of financial transactions of government entities. Government accounting differs significantly from commercial accounting because the goal of government is not to make profit but to provide public services. Understanding this topic is important for WAEC and for understanding how Nigeria's public finances work. Government accounting, also called public sector accounting, is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and reporting government financial transactions for accountability purposes. It covers Federal Government of Nigeria, FGN, 36 state governments and FCT, 774 local government councils, government agencies, parastatals, and public corporations. Key objectives of government accounting. 1. Accountability. Ensure government officials are accountable for the public funds they manage. 2. Control of expenditure. Prevent wasteful spending. Ensure money is spent only on approved purposes. 3. Stewardship. Show that public funds, taxes, oil revenue, grants, have been used as intended. 4. Planning. Provide data for budget preparation and economic planning. 5. Performance measurement. Assess whether government programs delivered value for money. 6. Transparency. Enable citizens, legislators, and auditors to scrutinize public spending. Key differences between government and commercial accounting. On-screen table. Government accounting, commercial accounting. No profit motive. Goal is service delivery. Profit motive. Goal is to maximize returns. Funds budget limited, vote/warrants, capital limited only by fundraising ability. Focus on accountability and compliance. Focus on profitability and growth. Cash basis commonly used, not accruals. Accruals basis required, IFRS/GAAP. Reports to National Assembly/State Legislature. Reports to shareholders. Audited by Auditor General, Public Office, audited by external private auditors. Expenditure controlled by Appropriation Act. Expenditure controlled by board decisions. Government traditionally used the cash basis of accounting. Only transactions involving actual cash receipts or payments are recorded. No debtors, creditors, or accruals. Simple, easy to check cash balances. Nigeria has been transitioning to the SSCE International Public Sector Accounting Standards framework, which uses the ACCIULS basis. Recognizes revenue when earned and expenses when incurred. Provides more complete picture of financial position. Allows recognition of assets, liabilities, receivables. For WAEC, know that government traditionally uses cash basis and is moving toward ACCIULS (IPSAS). Key terms in government accounting. Appropriation. Legal authority from the legislature, National Assembly or State House, to spend a specified amount on a specified purpose, the Appropriation Act, budget law. Vote/vote book, record maintained by each ministry/department showing how much of the appropriation has been spent and how much remains, prevents overspending. Warrant, authority issued by the Finance Minister to the Accountant General to release funds from the Consolidated Revenue Fund for approved expenditure. Consolidated Revenue Fund, CRF, the main government account, like the government current account, into which all government revenues flow, from which all approved expenditures are paid. Contingency Fund, a reserve fund to meet urgent unforeseen expenditure approved by the President/Governor. Capital Fund, used to finance capital projects, roads, schools, hospitals. Key officers responsible for government accounting in Nigeria. Accountant General of the Federation, AGF, Chief Accounting Officer of the Federal Government, keeps the national accounts, issues financial regulations. Auditor General of the Federation, AGF, Independent Officer who audits federal government accounts, reports to National Assembly. Accounting Officer, Permanent Secretary, Head of Accounting in each ministry, responsible for proper spending of the ministry's votes. Revenue Officers, collect government revenues. State Accountant General/State Auditor General, equivalent officers at state level. Summary of Government Accounting Introduction. Government accounting, recording public financial transactions. Goal equals accountability and service delivery, not profit. Objectives: accountability, expenditure control, stewardship, transparency. Differences from commercial, no profit motive, cash basis, legislative control, public auditor. Basis: cash basis traditional, IPSAs, accruals, adopted by Nigeria as reform. Key terms: appropriation, vote book, warrant, CRF, contingency fund. Key officers: Accountant General, Auditor General, Accounting Officer, PAM SEC.